Hello guys! Oh my god. So, today I am going to be making marshmallow slime. So, let's get to it. Let's get straight to it. And so, what you need, to make this. See, it's like, looks like marshmallow. But, glue. I don't know how to say, preferably Elmer's glue. So, it's not how you say it either. And this is empty. So, I'll be straight back. So, I got some new Elmer's glue. Yeah, I know. The thing just keeps getting... Usually by putting, like, slime on it, it would usually, like, stop doing that, but... Right now, slime is just inside. So, stay. Then, here we go. So you need glue. Glue. I'll put it in front of the camera. Glue. Preferably Elmer's. Preferably. So, just pour it in there until it, like, does the whole bottom. Well, depending on how much you want. I'm just going to put a little bit because I have way enough. Way enough for how many times I feel like making this video. So, now what you want to do is take shaving cream. So, I forgot to say what you need. You need glue, shaving cream, and borax water. Don't know how to make borax water? It's pretty simple. Put hot water in a cup and mix borax with it. So, shake that up. Okay, well, this is empty. But this is like the 7th time we're making it. So, I guess that's okay since there's enough. So, just make your bowl look like that. Put shaving cream in it. Take something to stir with. Now, I cannot find my spoon. So, that's bad. Where could it be? Where could it be? Where could it? It's not around here. So, I guess I'm just going to take this borax water spoon. Perfect. Okay, now just stir it up so it looks like this. So, looks like that. Just stir it up for a couple minutes. So, yeah. So, school's starting in a little bit. So, I'm not going to be able to make as much videos as I usually do. But, that's alright. So, that's bad. What you doing today? Question of the day. Who'd win in a fight? Question of the day. Question of the day. Who do you like better as a villain? Joker or think of someone cool? Joker or Dr. Octopus? Which one do you like better? So that's that. Just got that done. So it's probably good enough for stirring it. I'm just gonna get that stick. So that's what this borax is for. Make it slime. So we're almost done. All we kind of have to do is maybe have to do a little bit of borax in there. So that's probably more than enough. So we get our slime texture. Put like way more than enough. So recycle. That's, you know what I do. I got some on the table, but that's all right. That's just a mess I have to clean up. This is gonna be way too water. Don't put as much borax as I did, but if you do, just kind of go to the sink. I'm gonna be right back. Like I did, still probably have too much, but see, now it's just going way more smooth. So now just stir it up. Just a little bit so it gets into that borax. And then until the borax dissolves, like it just did. So it's kind of like making regular slime, except you put a little bit of shaving cream in there. And then kind of squish it, because it's going to be sticky. But the more you squish it, the less squishy it gets. So kind of just squish it up, squish it up, squish it up, squish it up, squish it up. Woo! Okay. So squish it up, squish it up, and then you should have this. Looks like shaving cream. Looks like a marshmallow. Marshmallow slime, which is going to be the title. Snowman out of it. Yeah, but it will be a little sticky. See? Yeah. It's just sticking to the paper. But after you play with it for a while, it should get better. Yeah, it will get better, actually, but unless you made it wrong. Then, look at this. Just want to eat it because it looks like a melted marshmallow. So, follow my Instagram. I will try to follow you, but I might not have time. I don't really go on Instagram that much. But, hey, go on my Instagram. Uppercase D for dark, space, lowercase n for nature, and then 23. No space F. No space, just 23. So, dark nature, dark, space, 23. Uppercase D, lowercase n. So, that is the end of our tutorial. I ripped the paper, but that's what the paper is for, so I don't get the table a mess. And so I'm going to clean up this mess, and I might do some new videos, another video. I kind of want to do an experiment, and if it works out, yes, I'm going to do another video today. So, just put this in my huge pile of it. Yeah, this is way too big. I've wasted way too much shaving cream and glue, but here it is. I had to try this 3 times, so give me a break. It just feels really good, too. This is not going to fit in the bag. So, is this dripping? No. There's no problems with it. Got some on me. And you can do it to your brother in your sleep, and it's not going to affect him, because you just peel it off, and it should all come off. See? Like, tickle, tickle. Tickle. See? None on my face. Still none on my face. So, see you guys next time.